When most people think of IKEA, they picture flat-pack furniture, maze-like showrooms, and minimalist Scandinavian design. But hidden inside this global giant is a secret weapon that has nothing to do with sofas or shelves, but food. IKEA's cafeterias, best known for their Swedish meatballs, have become a cultural phenomenon and a powerful loyalty engine. The story begins in the 1960s, when founder Ingvar Kamprad realized that hungry customers were unhappy customers. IKEA stores were often located outside city centers, far from restaurants, and shopping for furniture could take hours. His solution was simple but brilliant: serve affordable meals inside the store. What started as a convenience quickly became a cornerstone of the brand. The meatballs, introduced in the 1980s, became IKEA's signature dish. Today, the company sells over 1 billion meatballs annually across the world. But the genius lies in the business impact. By offering meals at prices lower than fast food chains, IKEA encouraged families to treat the store as a day-out destination. Customers stayed longer, spent more, and left with positive associations that kept them coming back. In fact, IKEA food now generates billions in revenue each year, with some estimates suggesting up to 5% of total sales. The menu has also evolved to reflect local tastes. In India, IKEA serves chicken and vegetarian meatballs. In Japan, ramen bowls. In Scandinavia, salmon dishes. Beyond cafeterias, IKEA even sells frozen versions of its popular dishes in food markets, extending the brand into homes. The lesson is clear. IKEA turned a non-core offering into a strategic advantage. Food wasn't just about feeding customers. It was about building loyalty, reinforcing brand identity, and creating an experience that competitors couldn't replicate. In the end, IKEA's meatballs prove that sometimes the most unexpected pivot can become the most powerful driver of growth.